Izzy here from Tech Tire and Wheel, and today I'm going to review a few of the top selling products in Tech's line of premium buffing tools. You already know that Tech makes the highest quality tire repair stems, repair units, and kits on the market today, so why wouldn't we also have the best buffing tools? It just makes sense. You also know that a safe and long-lasting repair starts with a properly buffed inner liner. Cheap, low-end buffing wheels can lead to uneven surfaces, dips, and even deep gouges in the tire casing. This results in poor adhesion, can create an unsafe repair, and may even damage the tire's cords. In fact, if you buff too deep and expose too much cord, you could even ruin the tire, and yikes! I wouldn't want to explain that to my boss. What makes Tech's premium buffing tools superior is their structured tooth coatings. Cheap wheels use a regular shaped grit that creates a ton of friction and heat and takes a lot more time and effort to use. On the other hand, Tech's structured tooth coatings are made up of hundreds of razor-sharp conical carbide teeth that are aligned in a uniform height pattern to create maximum cutting power. You'll notice the difference the first time you try a Tech buffing wheel. You don't need to apply much pressure, simply guide the buffer and let the wheel do the work. You'll also notice less heat buildup and scorching, better surface texture for a safer repair, and it does the job faster. So you'll look like a buffing rock star. Now let's get into some of the products. At the center of the Tech Tire buffing tool lineup is our flared contour wheels. These wheels come in a variety of shapes and sizes, from 1 1/4 inch all the way up to 3 1/2 inch diameter. This allows you to have the perfect size wheel for everything from low profile passenger or light truck tires all the way up to commercial truck, OTR, and agricultural applications. Our buffing wheels are designed with an instantly recognizable flared shape that has been proven to provide level contact with the tire surface. This ensures an even buffing surface for better, safer repair adhesion and reduced buffing time. This saves unnecessary wear and tear on your body and saves your shop money. That's what I like to call a win-win. As an enhancement for the flared contour wheels, you can add the reusable POLYPLUG inserts. These protect the wheel from damage, provide a level buff, and offer quieter, smoother, and more comfortable operation. Now, for those of you doing retreads or larger section repairs, never fear, Tech has you covered too. While you can still choose to use our larger or mid-sized versions of our flared contour wheels, for certain applications you may choose a Tech Extreme flared contour wheel. These more aggressive tools are ideal for removing old repairs, texturizing low shoulders, and cleaning up large section repairs. For shaping and texturizing skived areas on the sidewall, or for work on high tread repairs, Tech offers sphere burrs and buzz-out wheels. The smaller versions of the spheres can be used on puncture injuries on the inside of the tire, while the larger size can be used for high tread repairs. Retreaders also need special wheels on their CNC buffers to blend and texturize the shoulders. That's where Tech's donut wheels are essential and work for both automatic and manual sidewall attachments. Yeah, did someone say donuts? Billy! Rounding out the Tech buffing tool lineup, we have a variety of specialty tools, including additional shafted tools, nail hole reamers, and rotary knife blades for tread cutting. As you can clearly see, Tech has all of the must-have tools you need to complete any job your shop throws at you. The safety of your customers is literally riding on the quality of your repair. Be confident you always have the right tool for the job with our complete line of Tech premium buffing tools. Ask your local distributor or visit techtirerepair.com for more information. Till next time, buff on down the road.